Next, moving on to the small animals and the insects. So insects is côn trùng. And this one, con ruồi. Best friend of con ruồi is con muỗi. It is the best friend of the con ruồi, but not my best friend. I don't like it. They bite me all the time. I hate them. Okay, next. Ant, con kiến. Next. Cockroach, con gián or con gián, 7. Con gián, nothing. Con nhện. Con chuồn. Con bướm, or you can say con bướm. Con bướm is just one tone missing here. Con bướm. Okay. Con ong. Con đom đóm, firefly. Con đom đóm. Con dế, cricket. Grasshopper. Con cào. Mantis, con bọ ngựa. So ngựa is like horse, maybe because it can jump so high and like so fast like a horse. Con bọ ngựa. This is con bọ rùa. Rùa is turtle. Con bọ rùa. And bọ is the noun for all kind of bugs. Or it has another name, bọ cánh cam. Cam is the color like orange, and cánh is the wings. So the bug that has orange wing is bọ cánh cam. Easy, right? Next. A lizard, con thằn lằn. A caterpillar, con sâu. Con ốc sên. Con rít or con rết. So 2 ways to say it. Scorpion, con bọ cạp. So you can see bọ is repeated here. It's for hard shell insects. Con bọ cạp. Okay, that's all for the animals. And I would like to end this video using this. It's not the real animal, but we have them in the Mid-Autumn Festival, and we call them con lân. Con lân is a mystery animal. Con lân, and the action that the 2 people stay inside or under this con lân and dance and lift up the head and dance and jump around, we call it múa lân. That's the verb. Múa is the verb and lân is this animal, so we call it múa lân. And I hope my video is helpful for you. If you like my video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below to answer the 3 questions I asked in the beginning of this video. Okay, I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, chào các bạn.